Hi everyone, my name is Anna, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix that problem with just a piece of paper. Alright guys, to fix that problem we're gonna need few tools. The plastic removal tool, which we're gonna need to use to remove those covers, light covers. The Torx 327, Torx 25 to remove the screws which are just behind those covers, and the piece of paper, and you're gonna see what I'm gonna do with it. I know this is not the GNUI repair, it is most likely like the temporary fix, but you can get the brand new motor, the sunroof motor, for about €300. It's quite expensive, and for me that will be more than enough for now. Of course the sunroof motor is just behind that panel, so we need to remove it, and I'm gonna show you now how to do that. Alright, so first of all we need to remove those plastics. That should be quite easy. One just came off. Another one as well, and I'm not sure if you're gonna see. There is the screw, the one screw, and there is another one. Alright, I'm gonna unscrew it right now and I'll be back to you in a second. Alright, once I remove those two screws from here, the other part of the panel is just stick by the plastic clips, so we need to do just something like that. And the motor, the sunroof motor, it's just here. It's that one here. And like you will see, when I try to open the sunroof, it's just giving that noise. And the best option to repair that one would be just to replace that motor, but like I said, it's quite expensive, and I think my fix should be enough for most people. Right, so what to do with that piece of paper? We are need to make it something like that, and we need to put between the motor and the roof over here. Alright, I'm not sure if you're gonna see it. It's just over there. And now when I open the sunroof, the noise just disappears. And that's all. Now we just need to put all back together and all done. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video will help you to fix your own problems with the sunroof in Audi A8 or A6. I think that that fix might be applied on the most cars with the sunroof. I know that's not genuine, but no, that's the easiest and the cheapest way to do that. Thanks again for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in the next movie.